Hey guys, welcome to W.T.O.L Life. I'm back with another video. Doing a video on just mukbanging on some Chick-fil-A. I have a 12 count meal. Some fries. Ooh. Let me find out they stingy with their fries. Anyway, so that's what I'll be doing today with you guys, and doing a little chit chat with you, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna bow my head and I'm gonna say my grace. Amen. So I do have my drink here. I have a iced tea. And I have my honey mustard. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Today is Friday. And the weeks are going out fast. Out so fast. With me, I'm just staying productive, try to get everything up and running, and also enjoy myself in the process, because you gotta have a little time for yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog that I did with the family. We went to the Philadelphia Zoo. We had a lot of fun. Stay tuned, guys. So yeah, I'm eating my nuggets. They're so good. Yeah, for that type of salad. What's on? I'm gonna start with something. Oh, I'm gonna take you guys on another adventure with me again soon. Just trying to plan out where I'm gonna go. Went to the beach a couple of times. There's a couple of amusement parks that's near me that I'm gonna go to. We have they have well, it's not an amusement park, but it's called Storybook Land. I wouldn't mind taking the kids there. That's in Jersey though. It's not too far. Then we have we went to Dorney Park. I have a vlog of that. That's in Pennsylvania. And been to the beach a couple of times. The Jersey Beach. But here in Philly, we have a lot of stuff, a lot of attractions. Like, we have the Franklin Institute, we have the Museum of Natural Sciences, we have the Please Touch Museum. I used to take my children there when they were younger, and it's still open. Kids love the Please Touch Museum. We have the African American Museum as well. We have the art museum. It's really nice. Well, if I have some people from Philly that's rocking with me on my channel, you already know what we have here. But this is for the people that are not from here. In case you do come to Philly, you can go to those different places. We have a lot of famous cheesesteak restaurants. Pat Steaks, Gino Steaks. That's like all near in South Philly. We have a lot of stuff. Oh, we have Penn's Landing. We have a couple of restaurants in Penn's Landing. We have the Mushaloo, which are they're like boat restaurants that sit on the dock. What else? We have the Spirit of Philadelphia, which I showed you guys a vlog of that. My niece and my daughter went out for lunch on that. We have the Chart House, which is on Penn's Landing. Dave and Buster's. Have a couple of restaurants on there. Delaware Avenue. Yeah, and that's South Philly as well. Yeah. So if you guys are here in Philly, check those different places I just talked about. Check them out. But there's so many places here I can't even name. So if you look it up, Google is your best friend. You can Google it. And I have a lot of nice steak restaurants. We still have a drive-through movie. What is it? How you say it, Mom? Drive-through or drive-in? Drive-through. We still have that. That's in PA. Went there a couple of times. Love it. And if you're young generation, if someone young is subscribed to me and you don't know what that is, it's where they have a big movie screen and you sit in your car and you watch the movie. It's fun. The kids love it. It's a different experience. Well, for some, because when my mom was growing up, they had movie theaters where they were called drive-through. Yeah, we have so many. Oh, and I forgot Independence Hall. We have Independence Hall. It's the birth of America, where they signed the Constitution. They have that, and they have like the Liberty Bell. You can go see the Liberty Bell and all that good stuff. So yeah, they have a lot of stuff here. Also, on Delaware River, you can, they have a skating ring, they have a Ferris wheel, and also they have, in the winter time, you can ice skate as well. They turned the skating ring to an ice skating ring. So much fun. Today, it's just a chill day for me. You've probably done nothing today. Well, I have things to do. But yesterday was well needed. Like, I needed a break. you know, sometimes you just need to take that time out for yourself and enjoy yourself. So, always have time for yourself, always. Okay, I know I'm about to get off subject, but I want to show you guys. These drinks here are so good. I got these out of Walmart. I think 6 come in a box. These are the breakfast. These are breakfast drinks, and this is the cinnamon bun. So good, and it has 10 grams of protein. It has 21 vitamins and minerals. Also comes with calcium and two times the vitamin D. Very good, y'all. Check it out. Especially if you're not a breakfast person and you just want something to like get up and go. This is good. Good to have. Get all your nutrients and everything, vitamins, calcium, everything, y'all. This is very good. This is not a promotion. I just want to make that clear. I just wanted to show you guys what I drink in the morning sometimes. If I don't have breakfast, this is good. So, I'm gonna visit my mom for a minute, and then I'm gonna go back home and do some stuff at home. But I'm also my daughter's here as well, so I'm going to while we're here, might as well get on our laptops and do a couple things for my website. So. And I'm trying to work with this vendor for a couple of things that I had in mind that I want to put on my website. So I'm still trying to do that. And I've been receiving emails back and forth with the vendor. And you know, they need some things or whatever. And also I have to work on I have my LLC. I think I told you guys that for my business, but I also want to work on my trademark. So you know, you just want to make sure you got everything so nobody can go after your brand, you know, or your brand mess up your business, anything. Take your logo. You don't want nobody to take your logo. So make sure you got that locked down, you know. So I'm learning as I go. This is my first time ever having a business, so I know people who have businesses, but this is my first time ever opening a business. So I'm learning as I go. And I do a lot of research on a computer like this. I said, hey, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm researching. He said, you research every 5 minutes. You're just researching. What are you researching now? He just be laughing at me. He think it's so funny. And having on these glasses, he really be tickled to death. He like, Mom, who do you think you are with them glasses? All right, boy, leave me alone. I don't know if you guys ever, if you have children, especially older children, if you put on like certain clothes, they like, you can't, you can't wear that. That's how my daughter and my son like, mom, you can't wear that. How old are you again? That's how they be. Like with he might say something, my son probably say something about my Skittle shirt look. He like, mom, take that off. With them, they think I'm supposed to wear, I'm not knocking no elderly, no older person or nothing, so don't take this the wrong way. But they think that I'm supposed to wear a button-down blouse with some slacks, or a button-down blouse with a pencil skirt, and because of my age, or wear house gowns all day. No. I can't help it if I still want to, just because you're a certain age, sometimes you're just young as you feel. Like, not saying I wear, inappropriate stuff, but I'm just saying, like, you dress how you want to feel. Like, you maybe want to be a chill day, put you on a graphic tee and a pair of jeans, or a pair of jean shorts, or however the case may be. That's the day, that's how you might be feeling for that day. Or you want to feel, you want to be, you're feeling yourself today. You want to put on a maxi dress with some nice sandals. Or if you just want to stay at home, you're a homebody, you just want to stay home, what you do? Put on some nice pajamas and you chill all day in front of the TV. That's me. I have my days where I want to look a certain way. I have my days where I just want to be laid back. But they had me in here cracking up sometimes. They like, He like, especially my son, because my son's like, some young boys gonna be trying to talk to you. I be cracking up. I'm like, oh no, honey. I don't like no youngin. I like someone my age or older. So yeah, that's what he be sick. Not that I need anybody, because I'm good in that department, but I'm just saying, But yeah, I don't want to talk y'all head off. I'm done my food. I'm so good. I still have some iced tea left. Chick-fil-A, I demolished that. I was so hungry. They didn't have breakfast because I forgot, like I said, I had my little shake, my breakfast shake. I forgot I had it in my pocketbook. So I was sitting there all this morning. I forgot I had put it in there because I had went somewhere with my mom early this morning, so I got a doctor's appointment. So I had took this to go for breakfast and I forgot I had it. What I wanted to tell you guys. Oh yeah, before I leave this video, I will be taking you on another adventure, like I said. And I'm trying to get out as many, videos for you as possible before I go back to work. My other job. I got a little break right now. But got a couple more days off and then I'm back. And yeah. So I'm gonna leave the video here, y'all. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Also push that bell notification so you can see more of my videos. And I'll see you again. Bye guys.